Hey everybody, it's Shae here. Welcome back to my channel. So let me just say, if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I do videos on locks, home decor, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of thrifting. Today's video though is a home decor video. It's been a long time, you guys, and I should have shot this video a long time ago, but I don't know. I just got around to it right now. So anyway, this is our primary bedroom, and I just wanted to show you how it's decorated. I hope you get some inspiration. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Okay, let's start over here. All right, so this is the seating area. These chairs were purchased a while ago, like probably a few years ago, from Target. This little table was gifted to me by a friend. And then you see we have our diffuser and our candle and just a little picture. This artwork was thrifted. This plant was thrifted. Nightstands are fairly old, and I think it was from like Court Furniture. So I kept those. I had to refinish the top of them after a few years, just from, like wear and tear and stains. This beautiful lamp was also thrifted. I did like a little thrift flip on this lamp. I'll have to show you. This bed came from a local furniture store here in Southern California. And all of my bedding, well, I won't say all of it, but a lot of it came from Amazon, like the duvet cover and the pillow covers. Even the decorative pillow covers are from Amazon. The throw, the maroon color throw was gifted. And then this little plush throw is from Target. This artwork is from HomeGoods. Of course, you can see both lamps now, and like I said, they were thrifted. The lamps were. I was looking forever for a set of lamps, and you guys know lamps are super expensive, and I just could not spend, like, I'm just very, very thrifty, so I didn't want to spend that much on lamps. And so finally I just kept going around to thrift stores, and I found them one day, and I got some lamp shades from Target to kind of flip them a little bit. Artwork is from HomeGoods over the bed. That color is a color from Home Depot, and I painted it myself, just a little accent wall. I will put it on the screen, the color name. The drapes are from Amazon. Yep, the drapes are from Amazon. I will link all of this below for you guys. And then we have our television, because we are TV people. We love watching TV in bed. And then also like all of the little little accents above here. These two things I got from a furniture store a long time ago. This basket was thrifted. Of course, we have some pictures. This little vase, I just thrifted this like the other week. And then this is from, the glass vase is from Kirkland. The books are thrifted. And the flowers are from, oh wow, the flowers are from Hobby Lobby. So there we go. And this, okay, so before we got the bed frame, we had like all matchy. So like the dresser and the nightstands, those all came from Court Furniture Rental. And then of course we flipped out the bed and got a new bed frame. And so there you have it. And then that door is a barn door, and it goes into our bathroom. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video.